Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt. In case you don't know who I am, welcome to this YouTube channel where we talk about day trading. So, in today's video, I'm just going to be going over my Topstep journey so far. Today, I hit the profit goal for step 2 of the challenge. So, I'll be going over my step 1 results and step 2 results. Today was a one only trade type of day. Closed out for $258.80. That's what this trade here was. Basically, we had news drop at 7:30. I entered the trade. So news dropped and pumped it. I entered the trade at like 7:34 or something like that. Like 4 minutes left in the candle as it was getting pushed down. Basically, entered in and got out. Obviously, could have held a little longer, got some more money, but I realized that like my main goal here is to get to 32,000 due to the step 2 requirements, which we'll talk about in just a second. So I hit that. The thing that happens now is that I need to finish my days of trading, which I'll go over as well. So let's go ahead and dive into my actual trade analysis for step 1 and step 2. So Topstep has this thing called the dashboard. It hasn't updated yet for today, so we'll go and take a look at step 1. While it updates, should be updating any minute. So step 1. Average losing day was $443. Average winning day was $635. I completed this step in 5 days, which is the minimum amount of time. If you go down, you can see my actual equity chart. So I started off, first day was in the red, almost hit my daily loss. Not a great start, but we rebounded hard and basically hit that $2,000 by day 3. So getting a little more into it, you can see here my winning trade percentage was a 61.76, so almost 62%. Average winning trade was $134. Average losing trade was $56. Total number of trades was 7, with commissions being at 29.6. So almost $30 worth of commissions for $2,000 of gain is not bad. A 61% or 62% basically win rate is also good when you are almost, that's a 2-to-1 with risk reward, right? So let's just say I'm risking $60 and I'm making $120. Obviously, it's better than that. But overall, if you're 2-to-1 on the risk reward, if you're anything above 50, you're a profitable trader, right? So that's step 1 quick analysis for you. Started off a little bit of an equity drawdown and then pumped back up. 2-to-1 risk reward with a 62% win rate. So let's go to step 2. Hopefully it's updated. Doesn't look like it is yet. We'll just refresh the page to see, double check. Still not updated, but that's fine. Just know that at this point I'm now just slightly above this green line with a equity high of 32.49, right? So right now I'm at 31.79, so 32.49 will be the new dot on here. I also only took one trade, so that's 100% win rate on the day, and it was $250. So we'll just calculate that in when looking at everything else. So a little, obviously different style of trading. Again, started off with an equity low, so started off in the red. This time it was $347. Last time it was $440 or something like that, and then pumped up after that. Got my trading back together. So my average win rate of step 2 is 89%. Now, keep in mind for step 2, I do have to trade 10 days total. I just completed day 4, so I still have 6 more days. What I'm going to do is basically just like hop in and help out of a trade as fast as I can. So I don't have to like actually trade. I'll just get in and out of a trade, so it counts as a day of trading. So 89% win rate. My average winning trade is smaller than my average losing trade because I've only had basically that one losing trade this entire time. I didn't have any losing trades today, yesterday, or the day before that, and I've only had this one losing trade, right? So in actuality, this is kind of a flawed number because I've only had one losing trade this entire time. $2,000 with only like $15 of commissions is great. Can't complain about that. Let's see if we have a average duration of trade is pretty interesting. I lost 18 seconds. I lost at $347. Clearly went the wrong way. Other than that, 9 minutes, 30 minutes for this big day of 6-0. And then 24 minutes, 25 minutes per trade on that one. So basically overall 89% winning rate. So every trade I'm going to have an 89% chance of winning it. Average trade of 267 with an average losing trade of 347. I suspect if I was to basically elongate these statistics, I would drop this down to probably around 74% win rate, and it would even out into that 2-1 ratio like I was showing before. Again, there's the equity high. Let's refresh and see if any of these stats have updated, and if not, we're just going to go ahead and call the video there. Still trying to play catch up with Topstep, but that's okay. So that's the video. Again, I'm going to have to trade a little longer, but the combine is done. Next step is a funded account using their pro. I'll use their pro account. Get that up to 5,000, and then I'll be trading live contracts. So overall, pleased with the process. If you're interested in learning about how I trade, go to that first link down below. If you want to see my live trades, I commented every single one of these trades in my Discord. If people followed it, I don't know, but every single one was live traded in the Discord, which is linked below. So if you're interested in that, click on that. And lastly, if you're interested in your own funded account, there's two options, Topstep and Earn to Trade. I got a link for Earn to Trade down below. They have a couple different options like being able to hold overnight positions, which is huge. So check that out if you're interested for the gauntlet. Hope you have a great rest of the day, and I will talk to you later. Peace.